22 and 57 data science number project basically. So database is created. So boundary basically is created. Now within this boundary basically you have to create tables. And table basically, how basically the table basically gets created, that basically everybody. That basically I'm not going to explain because that is simple thing. Create table. Now basically table basically is created, and table if you are creating that, so you are going to dump the data also basically. So unique ID is required, primary key is required, lots of indexing basically is required, because when you are going to create table basically you are going to fetch the select statement also. So you will be creating indexing also. So indexing created. So if indexing created, that means the data is going to fetch very fast basically. If you are going to create some function level index, then basically it's more fast basically. But function level index basically is not preferable basically, because there are some certain level of issues basically if you are creating function level index basically. But you can create it basically. If very emergency is there, then basically you can create it basically. So function level index created, normal index basically gets created, alpha level, numeric level basically index basically creates. So like this basically index gets creates, where condition wherever basically exists, the index basically creates. These all are the normal stuff basically. Then basically tuning basically, for tuning basically you have to give the analysis command. So for that basically the system administrator basically writes basically is required. Analysis command basically is there. In analysis command basically you can analysis the table basically, so that basically if you are inserting 1 crore table, 1 crore data, 5 crore data, the table basically gets little bit damage. Damage means basically it get unstable basically. So you have to do the stable, that basically you can do through analysis and index basically, rebuild the index basically. So like this basically the boundary of table is now indexing, analysising, this all things stuff basically are the boundary of your table basically. So in next video basically we are going to see a little bit more about this topic.